Multiple fission. Asexual reproduction by multiple fission is performed by amoeba and other similar protists. Amoeba stops the formation of pseudopodia. Stops formation of pseudopodia. False leg. These are the false leg. Pseudopodia is false leg. Pseudo means false. Podia means legs. And thereby movements whenever there is lack of food or any type of adverse condition. So when does it stop the formation of pseudopodia? When there is adverse condition, lack of food or water is not there, the condition is dry, then amoeba stops formation of pseudopodia and it becomes rounded and forms a protective covering around the plasma, protective covering around plasma membrane. Such amoeba is known as cyst. So the first stage is stops the formation of pseudopodia. When there is no food or water, stops formation of pseudopodia. It becomes rounded and forms protective covering around its plasma membrane. So this is known as a cyst. Now, many nuclei are formed by repeated nuclear division in the cyst. So the cyst is formed, rounded body. This is the protective cover, protective covering around the, this is the protective covering. This is the plasma membrane inside. The plasma membrane is inside. And this is the nucleus. This is the nucleus. The protective covering, the plasma membrane inside, and the nucleus. Now, this is known as a cyst. This nucleus undergoes multiple nuclear divisions. So many nuclei, plural of nucleus is nuclei. Many nuclei are formed from repeated nuclear divisions in the cyst. It is followed by cytoplasmic division. This is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. So, cytoplasm, C for cytoplasm. The nucleus N divides into number of nuclei. The cytoplasm follows the division of the nucleus. So many amoebulae are formed inside this cell, the protective membrane. Many amoebae are formed inside. They are separated. They are separated into small amoebulae. They are known as amoebulae. All small amoebulae are formed inside the cyst. Many small amoebulae are formed inside the cyst. They remain encysted till there are adverse condition, bad weather condition, no food, no water. These are adverse conditions. But what happens when favorable conditions are there? When the rain is there, this cyst breaks open. It will break open and new amoebae are released. All these are then many amoebulae are released from this. So many amoebulae come out of the protective covering. This is known as multiple fission. So the parent amoeba, during adverse conditions, bad conditions of food and water, a cyst is formed. Inside the cyst, many division of nucleus and cytoplasm takes place inside internally. So many amoebulae are formed. It remains encysted till adverse conditions prevail. As soon as there is rain, the cyst breaks open and new daughter amoebae are released. This is multiple fission with the help of cyst formation.